We're gonna do the bushings and whatnot, and the third bolt that we got to was absolutely stuck. This little bastard took us like an hour to get loose. I don't remember if I got the right size though. I think mine is too big. Hey, never thought I'd say that. And now we should be able to start loosening up the swing arm and then change that bushing down there. Well, never mind. I'm gonna spend the next hour on that single bolt. Oh, is it move? We don't even need to try to get that out. We can try to get the swing arm to pop down. So if we can, we don't need to get this bolt out because it does move. And if we can pop this out, then we're good. All right, back to time lapse. This is the reason why I comment that I would take hot country problems over cold, wintry, salt roads problems any day, because with rust, every single bolt becomes a nightmare. You'd think that it would just be a case of let it open. Nah, it's gonna be penetrating oil, breaker bars, impact hammer, back to breaker bar, back to penetrating, hammering, like everything. It's every single bolt is such a difficult problem. Safety glasses, because safety is cool, kids. Time to cut whatever this is called. Bushing, I don't know. Hopefully it'll be okay, because yeah, we need to get the metal part off first, and then we can just hammer this off. You might want to, we'll see. I think it comes in two pieces. You got that metal ring first, and then the metal cylinder down here. So I should be able to knock the top part off, I think. So I'm gonna get a big hammer. Okay, maybe it's not the biggest hammer, but... All right, step one complete. Step two, Craftford light show now. And now it's just this part, which I think we're gonna cut as well. That's just gonna be no sparks, it's just gonna be a lot of smell. Whew. Step three, hammer time. Probably gonna need some more cutting then. Yeah, I don't think I'm through. Okay, back to step three. Step four? I don't know, I've lost count. I'm gonna grab the new thingy, and check actually how it looks. Typical. I look away for 2 seconds and he goes and just fucking finishes it. And now he's rubbing his newfound shaft. Look how happy he is. Taking my purpose in life away. The new part has to basically just go on top again. It's gonna be easy enough to hammer on, and then for the other one we have to use the hydraulic press. Okay, I'm just gonna go sideways now. That's the outside of the car, and yeah, it's something like that where it goes. Probably not with that hammer because we need the soft hammer. There you go. You can put the new rubber on. And if I remember correctly, you can see it, like it has to go pretty much all the way up there. Yeah, there we go. And now we get to the pain of that one. Scary hydraulic press time. I'm not afraid of a lot of things. Actually, no, that's a lie. I'm afraid of a lot of things. But this is exceptionally terrifying. So we need to go find you the little press bit. And then I believe this bit is a perfect fit for the actual bushing.
Kind of.
It just has to be smaller than the metal ring. Ah, Jesus Christ. All right, now that I'm safely away, you may keep going. Yeah, I normally, like, even if I stay close, I kind of stay around. To be honest, it's not that bad or crazy. It's gonna make a crack. It's gonna make a crack. It's fine. That was just the plates adjusting, I think. And it's terrifying. It's fine, it's fine. How are you doing? Alright, I think it's out. Because you also don't want to end up breaking the wheel well.
Oh,
yeah, see the bushing's out?
Now we need this one out.
Yeah, so now we take the bushing out again. Good luck with that. I guess we technically could have gotten a smaller insert for that one. That would be a useful thing to know. So I think this is gonna go on the bench, and then we need to hammer it out. The TLDR here is that ain't nothing that a hammer can't solve. Yeehaw. So now we need to squeeze that out. I can do this, and then when we get close again, I'm just gonna go to the other end of Bye. Oh, well, that was anticlimactic. I mean, you do have to take the plastic off before you. Yeah, but.
Yeah. I thought so.
I can get you a some sort of a cutting tool. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you already, okay. You already sorted that problem out quickly. I'll keep this for later though, because you need it, yeah.
Please do.
I release the pressure, and then I apply the pressure, and then I run. Oh, that's just smooth sailing. I had no doubt whatsoever that it's gonna go in perfectly fine. I can't even remember the Estonian names for these parts. Never mind the English ones. So this will be, what, the swing arm lower bushing? Out? Lower control arm? No, that's the control arm. That's the swing arm. Yeah, it's the doodah that goes in the ba-dump. Wait, so the previous ones that we had were 16 and 18, and these ones are like 17 and 19, I'm guessing.
Might be
20?
20.
That's also.
Even 19, let's see.
Wait, give me a second, I'm learning numbers. 17,
Just random 19, whatever.
18, 19. You can have, that's 21.
That's to be.
Sorry, I'm having problems with numbers. That's 19.
19 it is.
Hey!
So let's try.
Okay, here we go. Ow.
Yep.
Ow. That should be good. Look at that. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
Right, so now we deal with this piece, which is the, you know what, I'm just gonna say words. Stabilizer link arm swing bolt bushing doodah. That thing, which is, I don't know, 17, and inside goes either a hexagon or a torque.
19, not 17.
19, oh, I do apologize, sir.
Yes.
Hey, look at the first bolt on the swing link thingamabobber arm bushing is off. I know it doesn't look like I don't help much, but... Oh wait, no, that's fine. I've got the time lapse to show you that I do help. A little bit. Mostly with a sense of humor though. That's my main tool. Alright, well, instead of the 6 hours that we thought, we only took 4 hours. I don't have a watch to check, but yeah, probably 4 hours.
Yeah, 4.
2 people, 4 hours, 8 work hours to change 3 bushings. Yeah, I don't think we're ever gonna get hired into a professional garage. But it's assembled. Well, minus the wheel. I'm just gonna put the wheel back on. And now we just need to do it 3 more times. Alright, that's a lie, because non-linear editing means you don't know the fact that I've already done the other ones, but we have done pretty much all the maintenance now. I think the only things that we should still do is the differential and oil inside that, plus the transmission oil. But I think now we can also start looking into sorting out the interior, getting a new radio, talking to my body shop guy about the bumper. Is my nose black? Yes, it is.
Yeah. My nose.
Interior stuff. Alright, so this is, yeah, it looks like it's just siliconed or something.
Yep.
Or glued or whatever. But yeah, I'm guessing this is what it was a taxi sign before or something. Ooh. Sorry, I'm balancing. Oh dear Christ. These things.
Rusty.
Yeah, these are like these bolt screws or whatever are completely rusted. I think the other side has these little plastic knobs on them, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why you have those plastic knobs on it. These are going to be impossible to get out. But worst is if they're rusting the...
This is plastic.
Oh yeah, this is plastic. Or fiber.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No, that's fine. Never mind.